Heyo, boss! Do you want your normal looking chicken to turn into something like this? That's right, Chef's going to show us how to make a very delicious and crunchy almond chicken. He paired this up with some asparagus and some cauliflower mashed potatoes, so we have a very healthy dinner to show you. Let's get cooking. Go ahead and pick up some thinly sliced chicken breast cutlets from your store, and Chef's going to season these both sides with salt and pepper. He did say if you wanted to use a meat tenderizer on them very lightly, you could do so. That's up to you. After they've been seasoned, place them aside. Chef's going to go ahead and start off with a little bit of actual plain yogurt mixed with some Dijon mustard. Now this is going to be his wet solution. This is what your dry solutions are going to kind of adhere to. Sometimes you may see us use egg wash or something like mayonnaise or even ranch dressing, but we're going to try something new. Our dry solutions consist of some gluten-free breadcrumbs mixed up with some nice almonds. These are sliced almonds, and then a little bit of salt and pepper and any other seasonings that you want to add to it. First thing you're going to do now is take your piece of chicken and then dredge it through the wet solution mix, as we call it. You want to make sure to get both sides because you want the breadcrumbs to adhere. Don't forget, all of our ingredients will be down below, as well as check out our blog for the full recipe. After that, go ahead and place it in your dry breadcrumbs and then make sure it's nice and patted down, and a quick flip, and then again. Afterwards, Chef's going to plate these on a pan and get his oven prepped for 350 degrees. Chef did say not to use tin foil. It didn't really work out for him. Just spray a pan and place those chickens down. This is going to be at 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. Afterwards, you'll take them out, and Chef's going to plate these right up again on some cauliflower mashed potatoes that turned out to be really good. So we have a nice healthy dish. There's our almond chicken, some vegetables, cauliflower mashed potatoes. The dish was really healthy and light, and we think you're going to really enjoy it. Definitely try this. It didn't take long, and we had a good time. Thanks again, everyone. Subscribe if you're new. And again, we apologize for our sporadic postings. We are still posting on Thursday. Just been kind of really busy as a team. So we're going to try to get back to and do it. We do promise. But thanks again for sticking with us. And don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.